Hello guys, good day. This is Mr. and Mrs. Tech Savvy and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you on how to crimp Rj-45 and F connector for your CCTV. Now guys, first thing before you do your work, may I reiterate na dapat safety first ang nauuna before and after the job or before and after makomplete natin ang work. And then the right tools na gagamitin natin to avoid wasting time. And of course yung accident na tinatawag. So let me display na lang po later kung ano yung mga tools na gagamitin nyo for RJ45 and F connector crimping for your PC or for your CCTV. So guys, the first thing that I'm going to show you is how to crimp RJ45. So actually, there's a lot of cables na ginagamit for RJ45 connector. For example, in the year 1999, there is a Cat5 category or Cat5e. So, ano naman tong Cat5e? Actually, it offers significantly improved performance over the old Cat5 standard, including up to 10 times faster speeds and significantly greater ability to traverse distances without being impacted by crosstalk. Crosstalk guys is yung tinatawag na interference or yung sa unwanted transfer of signals between communication channels. Or sabi sa electronics, crosstalk is any phenomenon by which a signal transmitted on one circuit or channel of a transmission system creates an undesired effect in another circuit or channel. Usually, the cause of crosstalk is by undesired capacitive, inductive, or conductive coupling from one circuit or channel to another. So, bakit meron tayong Cat5, Cat5e, Cat6, or Cat6a? Of course, dinevelop yan for the purpose na mas mapaganda pa yung signal ng ating communication. And para maiwasan yung interference. Kaya kung mapapansin nyo, kung meron pa kayong mga older version ng wires, category 5, category 5e or cat 6, mapapansin nyo mga later version ng ating mga cables is ngayon is mas makakapal na siya. Anyway, I will show you a picture guys na lang ng mga sample ng ating UTP cables. So, okay guys, let's now begin. Guys, pag-start ng pag-splice ng cable gamit itong wire splicer natin, i-steady nyo na yung 1 inch para magkaroon kayo ng adjustment later. So sa cable na gamit ko ngayon, Cat 5e, mapapansin nyo na lang ang difference nila sa ibang cable. If yung sa twisting ng wires is much twisted siya, halimbawa syempre cat 6 yun, or much harder yung cable is cat 6 category yun. Itong gamit ko is cat 5e lang for smaller networks, pero the more na mas mahal yung cable, mas maganda guys. After makat guys ng mga wire na to, kailangan nyong i-straighten para mas madali siyang i-splice or i-crimp. So sa point na to, straight connect lang ang gagamitin ko. Hindi na ako magko-cross connect. So ang tuturo ko ngayon dito is straight connection, meaning kung anong ginamit ko sa isang endpoint is yun din yung mangyaring color coding ko sa endpoint. Katulad na lang neto guys. So white, orange, orange, white, green. White, green, blue. White, blue, green. White, orange, orange, white, green, blue, white, blue, green. And then white, brown, brown. So white, orange, orange, white, green, blue, white, blue, green, white, brown, brown. So wala naman sinusunod na coding dito. Kung ano lang yung gusto nyo, basta kung ano yung nasanay nyo, yun yung gamitin nyo. As long na pag sinabi straight connect, kung ano yung first na nagawa ninyo, yun din dapat ang endpoint nyo. Usually sa mga networks na ginagawa is hindi naman na siya kino-cross connect kasi most devices ngayon is meron na siyang tinatawag na automedics. Automedics meaning kahit na pareho sila, or halimbawa is modem to router na or crossover ang kanyang function, is meron ng tinatawag na mga automedics na included na siya at bahala na yung device na mag-convert ng kanyang signals. So ayun guys, once na straighten na yung inyong wire, all you need to do is cut using scissor or your Rj-45 crimping tool. Ang may iwan lang dito guys is 0.5 inch. So check lang ulit for verify nyo lang if okay na siya. If hindi siya pantay, just cut it again and assure nyo na pantay na yung wires. So ayan guys, okay na siya. So dapat na-reach ng conductor nyo yung end ng inyong crimping. Dapat na-reach ng UTP cable nyo yung endpoint ng inyong Rj-45 connector. Makikita nyo yan dito sa dulo. So dapat na-reach nyo yan, or else magkakaroon ng data loss or loss of signal. So ayan. Okay. So here guys, tapos na natin ma-crimp. So pag sinabing straight guys, kung ano yung first point nyo, yun din yung sa end point nyo. So sa akin, white, orange, orange, white, green, blue, white, blue, green, white, brown, brown. So straight connect ang tawag dito guys. Okay guys, to test your Rj-45, you may use your remote cable tester. Actually, meron siyang Rj-45, Rj-11, then meron din siya for Rj-6 or coaxial cable tester. So we're going to use na itong Rj-45 to test if the wire is shorted or connected. Okay, so let's check. Ayan guys, so makikita nyo connected siya. Try natin remove to. Ayan, malalaman nyo guys na if no connection meaning may putol sa wire, so automatically kailangan nyo siyang palitan. Okay guys, next chapter naman tayo. Now I'm going to show you how to crimp Siamese cable or coaxial cable using our F connector. So F connector can be used in CCTV for extension, halimbawa for longer distance installation. as well as in cable television. You can use this F connector for much stable joint ng inyong Siamese cable. Okay guys, so let's continue our crimping. So first, cut muna natin itong use wire. So, what are the parts of Siamese cable? So, as you can see here, meron tayong outer jacket, black coat, and then meron tayong metal shielding or ground wires. And then meron din tayong foil, additional coat for to avoid interference. Bago tayo dun sa ating main conductor. So, mag-iwan lang tayo dito ng 2 cm, I guess. At yung white na nakikita nyo guys is yung dielectric. Para maiwasan yung short sa signal or sa wirings. So, yun yung point niya. The main purpose of this insulator is to avoid the interference or the loss of signal. So guys, dito pala consider nyo tong insulated material natin or itong insulator na 7mm. Okay, mas dapat 7mm siya. At beware na dapat ito is hindi niya matouch itong conductor nyo. Okay. How to know if okay na tong distance ng inyong conductor at naka-proper seating na itong inyong F connector? Syempre makikita nyo sa insulator sa gitna. So, kailangan pa nyan guys. Paano nyo naman pala malalaman guys na yung distance na ito dito sa inyong thread? So actually you can already use your long nose pliers to know yung certain length ng inyong conductor from the F connector or yung metal base. From the metal base of your connector, you can already know yung certain length ng inyong conductor or yung signal carrier. Okay. So, okay na yan guys. our final testing and checking, um, we can actually use our multi-tester or the digital tester. Just set the dial gauge to resistance check or to continuity test. If you hear the beeping sounds, then it means that the cable you made is good or the wire's not really broken. Okay, guys, if you hear the beeping sound, it means that the cable is not broken and you're having a good conductor on your wire.